Take command of the road in the 2016 Nissan Titan XD. This four-door, five-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 5-liter, 8-cylinder engine. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, a rear step bumper, heated seats, skid plates, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.